In today's video, I am going to teach you how to track location using Gmail account. Before we begin, I want to set the right expectation. A Gmail account by itself does not let you secretly track someone. What it does do is connect you to official Google services that can show location in legitimate ways, like locating your own signed-in device with Find My Device, or viewing someone's shared location in Google Maps when they have given you permission. The steps you are about to follow focus on using Google Maps while you are signed in with your Google account. First, open your web browser and go to your Gmail inbox. Make sure you are signed in to the correct Google account, because Google Maps will use the same login. If you have more than one Google account, confirm you are using the one connected to the device or the location sharing you want to view. Next, open Google Maps. You can do this by searching for Google Maps in your browser and selecting the official Google Maps result. When Maps loads, you should see the map interface with your usual Google account profile already active. Now look for the highlighted area near the top corner of the Maps screen. This is the main menu button, sometimes shown as a small icon with lines. Click it to open the navigation panel. This panel is where you access key features tied to your account, including options related to your location and location information that has been shared with you. After the menu opens, click the option represented by the location-related icon shown in your interface. On many screens, this is the button that takes you to your location settings or your location-related tools. Select it to continue. Then click that same location-related option again as shown in the instructions. This second click typically confirms the selection or opens the relevant location view depending on your layout. Once it opens, you will be able to see the location information that Google Maps can show for your account, such as your current position if location services are enabled, or location sharing details if someone has shared their live location with you. As a quick tip, if you do not see any location details, make sure your browser location permission is allowed and verify that location sharing has actually been enabled on the other device or account. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.